Alright, so this guy's where he ought not to be. Not handling for y'all. But he's extremely ill, and I just don't feel like getting bit today. Little garter snake. He's fat as a tick, though. Looks like he might have ate something, but he is just grumpy. So, I'll come out here. And a little ways away from the house anyway. I don't really want him coming back. But, we'll see how it goes. Might see him again. Hopefully not. But, let's see. Hopefully he won't be rattlesnake food. Get out of here, buddy. He certainly looks a lot better here than he does in that bucket. No. Poke him with a stick just to make him move on. Go on now. Go on, buddy. Go on. Go on. There you go. Go on. Go on. But you see he's very grumpy. And there he goes. Good to see him go.